So I'm just doing a bit of tennis trading. I've got this actually set on a trading bot at the moment, just a servant on BetAngel, which is working pretty good. So he's doing a lot of work for me. So what it's been doing is, we're laying the favourite, and like it's just done now. If it's at a certain price for about a minute or so, just below what it's been trading for about a minute, puts a lay bet in, and it puts it in a couple of ticks below the reverse market price. So of the back price, whatever the back price is, it's putting it in a couple of ticks below. So you get an even better price, which is great because we don't want it too far up because we're in profit up here anyway, which is good. So it'll cancel this out. If this doesn't get took in a minute, so it gets taken out, pulls it, and then it's put another one in, look. So it'll take this one out at some point, leave this one in, then it'll take this one out. But at the minute we're all right because we're actually going up. So we're in a good profit at the moment. So I've got control of this as well because I can pull these myself if I want. They'll come out in a bit anyway. I might as well leave them, but I can actually take these out again if I want, and it'll start trading again. Yeah, it leaves a couple of trades in market. That's about the maximum I think of where it's set out. Well, it's took one out, so it doesn't put too many in at a time. If this was to get took, it'll put an opposing trade in at the other side to take a bit of profit on it. And yeah, it's just basically, you can call it scalping. You can, it's just scalping market. You can call it swing trading. It's just doing a bit of both, to be honest. But it's helping me, and I can take control of this as well. I can take this out if I want. I can still add trades in. I can still green up. It's just like having somebody sat aside here helping you. So yeah, it's pretty good. I just took that one out. Just going to wait again. So yeah, I keep putting bits in myself. But if you want to do this manually, what I'm looking at, I'm just looking for value in tennis. It has been as low as 112, 1.12 down here. I'm not actually looking at the scores at the moment. I'm just having a play. To be honest, I did this really to test this bot, just to see what it will like. It's not the best of games. Liquidity's not too bad, but there's a lot of gaps, as you can see. It's not the best of markets to trade on. But the bot seems to be handling it quite well, which I'm glad at. So it's chopping away at it. So yeah, if you want to have a look at these bots, so I'm putting them free. I'll be putting this one on my Patreon site soon. There's some on for football. Yeah, I'll be putting this one on for the tennis tier. So if you want to pop along to my Patreon, this will be going on at some point. There's plenty of ebooks on there if you want to look at them. So yeah, it's not a bad little trade at the moment. So I'll keep this one running and see how it goes.